and today I'm going to show you all 5 working servers for Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.15.0. Now, as we all know, 0.15.0 has some serious issues with servers and keeps on crashing our game. It's really hard to get into servers, and you can't see the IP once you put in the IP. It's just mayhem. And this is all because of 0.15.0's really early release. I wasn't expecting it to release for a couple more weeks, but lo and behold, 0.15.0 comes out in the middle of my vacation in the middle of the ocean. I'm saying all of this because some of these servers may not work simply because 0.15.0 is very buggy, and also the servers may not be working because of other problems. Maybe their servers being hacked, maybe it's under maintenance, we have no idea. But right now, at the time of this recording, all of these servers are up and checked. Well, that's enough time wasted, so let's get started. By the way, really quickly, they changed where the servers are. When you press play, you have to go to the Friends tab, then all the servers you type in will be there. They're no longer in the Worlds tab. And creating the server is exactly the same. Go to the Worlds tab, and then tap on New World, and then tap on the plus. Okay, let's get started with our first server. The first server is the Fun World server. The IP is funworld.zap2.org. And all the ports in this video stay the same. And also, you want to make sure the name is filled out recognizably. That's because you can no longer see the IP once the server is made. And also, by the way, these servers are not in any particular order. And as you can see, once you put in our server, we can see the server here in the Friends tab. This world has some pretty exciting stuff. It has mazes, PvP, parkour, and more. The build quality of this server is obviously not the best, but it's pretty good. And the server doesn't have too much lag. What's really cool is that all the mini-games have their own little worlds for you to choose and play on. In this footage, I'm playing the Haunted Maze, and I'm having a blast. Moving along to the next server, we have one of my favorites. We have the Broken Lens server. The IP is play.brokenlens.xyz. This server has a lot of mini-games, it has very low lag, and it has some pretty swagalicious builds. This server has Sky Wars, survival games, hide and seek, Minecrarft, Team Sky Wars, micro battles, block party, one in the chamber, TNT run, TNT tag, bow spleef, and more to come. That's a lot of mini games. The only downside is that whenever you want to play a minigame, you have to put in a separate IP and port. So, for example, if I want to play some TNT Run, what I have to do is I have to go and make a new server that has the same IP, but a different port, which is 2111 for TNT Run. Yeah, it may be a tad annoying, but once you're done, it'll be fun to play some TNT Run. For number 3, we have InPvP. The IP for InPvP is play.inpvp.net. This fantastical server has 2 available games, has some amazing building jobs, and keeps the lag on the low. By the way, it's really hard to tell, but this entire lobby is a space station on some planet. Just knowing that gives your gameplay a really cool feel. The 2 games they have available is TNT Run and Block Hunt, which is kind of like morphing to a block and playing hide and seek. Now, I wish I could have showed you guys any gameplay, but I can't because every 4 minutes I go into the server, it says this. And so what I did is I went on their Twitter and I asked for help, and they replied it should be fixed really soon. For server number 4, we have Pig Raid. The IP for Pig Raid is pvp.pigraid.com. Now, I must admit, Pig Raid is not exactly crap! Now, apparently, this server does not have the best builds, but it's all about the fun. Of course. And also, as you can see, there's no safe spots. This server is very straightforward. All you do is you spawn, and you grab the leather kit or any other kits that you earn, and then you go and kill people. That's it. It's plain simple and awesome. Well, it's only awesome if you're as good as me. I'm above. Bam! Here we are at the last server, server number 5. This server is one of my favorites. It's Lifeboat Survival Games. The IP for Lifeboat SG is sg.lbsg.net. Basically, what survival games is it's Hunger Games except for Minecraft. Everyone starts off in a circle, and then when it starts, everyone runs toward the middle and grabs themselves some supplies to survive. That includes weapons, armor, and food. This server looks awesome, is lacking lag, and also has some pretty awesome builds. I actually play survival games all the time, except I play on sg333.lbsg.net. Whenever I play SG, I play on that server, so if you want to come join me sometime, maybe hang out, have a soda or something, that is if I can even see you past all these people. Also, sometimes I announce when I'm on sg333.lbsg.net through my Twitter at YouTubeAGHQ. That's actually why there's so many people on my server that you can see on the screen right now. Usually there's only 1 or 2 people. just waiting. I feel bad for them. Okay, everyone, that's gonna do it for today's 0.15.0 server video. I really hope I at least showed you one new server for 0.15.0. That's gonna do it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.